Any updates?
Yeah, fighting these all these features that we're trying to do. My whole goal with ZeroClaw is obviously, I built this out of really big frustration. It seems like nowadays tech is FOMO everywhere. There's a lot of shit about software engineers. We're gonna get expired. And I spent like a lot of this last year building a SaaS, and I just didn't even want to finish it. And then I wanted to build something like this, and then I don't know. I kind of just saw, I was like, I value so much privacy, and I think that this is what the world needs. Like at some point, these API providers, and they're just training the data on you, and I don't respect that at all. I think we should have the freedom to kind of pick what we want to do, and it's very kind of powerful tech, and I think it's just. I'm scared thinking about every use case, but it's like, hey, it's here, and I think we should kind of just use it responsibly, and
As a collective, how do we create a unique idea?
Right now, the code is open source. Obviously, we have the repo. I will share in the group. I would love everybody, if they want to join the movement, right? Like to be an early contributor. We're kind of slowly onboarding people here. Every division is available. So if there's something that you want to apply, like anything, some use cases I'm thinking about, this would be really cool. Is like, obviously, like I would love to just sit in my car. There's friends of mine who won't even talk to me if I don't use Signal. So my point is like my mom she'll never use like ChatGPT. She texts me. So like I think everyone has a preferred channel, and then how you're able to communicate with whatever piece of software or hardware you want, and have these agents run out and do everything you want. Some really interesting use cases I'm trying to uncover are A2A payments. I'm kind of trying to be one of the first ones there. But it's going to be quite a battle. And other stuff that I see is just, like I said, this is just cool. I couldn't even, it's amazing. Being here on Sunday, this is like my home. So it's just cool to have finally like a GitHub. I think that's what we were looking for, right? It was like a GitHub to go like viral, and if you see the graph that we had, it was just like straight exponential. It looked like it just fucking flew off the bat. And I mean, if we keep up with the speed, I see this kind of outpacing OpenClaw. I think he's building in speed, but he's not thinking about design, and I think that's what his problem is. And so I wrote to him on Twitter. I said, "Hey man, I really love everything you're doing, and honestly, I'm gonna keep the same ethics here, where I just think this should stay open." But yeah, just it's new. You're at the forefront of something new. Just fucking make some shit and make some money, right?